Disneyland Railroad.
Tunnel, Jack.
To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. We're now entering Splash Mountain, home to the location of the one and only Laughing Place. If you're not real hard, you just might find it. It's where the critters are celebrating a zippity doo-dah day.
Hey, Jack.
Speaking of critters, this place we're passing over is home to a whole bunch of them. Here in Critter Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Brer Rabbit, and Brer Bear on their fun-filled adventures.
Look for the river, Jack. Where's the river? Going over the bridge.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Restaurant and Last Outpost Police Parks, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as started more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the trip. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see.
Wow. Yeah, look at that, Jack.
There is the revered cheering Victoria flows in the great River Valley below.
Look at that, Jack. There's a deer over there. See the deer?
People like you have been riding these trails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Oh, tunnel coming up. See the tunnel? Coming. Look at those boxes.
Alright, friends, we're now steaming our way into Mickey's Toontown Depot. This is your stop. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop fully inside the station. Come on. Toontown is your gateway towards Fantasyland and Mickey's Toontown. We also have a showing of Mickey and the Mouse